Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a classic piece of automotive history, the Ford Super Deluxe from 1941. This car isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement from an era when design and craftsmanship were at the forefront of the American automobile industry. Let's explore what makes this vintage beauty so special. First off, the design of the Ford Super Deluxe 1941 immediately grabs your attention. Its sleek, rounded body lines and Art Deco inspired. Curves give it a distinctive look that stands out even today. Unlike modern cars, every detail was handcrafted with an emphasis on style and elegance. The front grille, wide and bold, paired with teardrop-shaped headlights, gives it a presence that feels both powerful and refined. Even the chrome accents around the bumpers and windows add a touch of sophistication that screams classic American design. Under the hood, the 1941 Super Deluxe came with a Flathead V8 engine, producing around 100 horsepower. While that may not sound like much by today's standards, back then, it offered impressive performance for a family car. The engine is smooth, reliable, and perfect for cruising down open roads. Paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, driving this car is a hands-on experience that makes you feel connected to the road in a way modern cars rarely offer. Step inside and you're transported back in time. The interior features plush bench seating and a simple but functional dashboard layout. Everything is analog, from the speedometer to the fuel gauge, giving a nostalgic charm that vintage car enthusiasts absolutely love. The cabin is surprisingly spacious, offering comfort for both the driver and passengers. It's a reminder that cars from this era weren't just about looks. They were about practicality and comfort, too. One of the most remarkable things about the Ford Super Deluxe 1941 is its timeless appeal. Even after more than 80 years, it still turns heads wherever it goes. Collectors and car enthusiasts prize this model not just for its performance or design, but for the story it tells about American automotive history. Owning one is like holding a piece of the past, and driving it feels like stepping into a classic movie scene. In conclusion, the Ford Super Deluxe 1941 is more than just a car. It's a rolling piece of history. With its stunning design, reliable V8 engine, and comfortable interior, it embodies the elegance and spirit of its era. If you ever get the chance to see one in person, or better yet, take it for a spin, you'll understand why this car has remained a beloved classic for generations. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more classic car reviews and automotive history.